Today's oil and gas industry needs to reduce operational cost and increase productivity while ensuring the safety and security of people and assets. The key is to unlock the right information and send it to the right person at the right time. While plants already collect considerable operational and production data, the challenge is managing the information deluge while integrating various silos. ABB's Collaborative Operations approach makes it easier to harness the power of disparate data and people to achieve higher productivity, fewer shutdowns, reduced maintenance costs, and enhanced security. Here at ABB's Collaborative Operations Center, a suite of remotely operated customer dashboards are hard at work keeping production flowing. Asset risk management and condition monitoring ensures early warning of malfunctions, process restrictions, and equipment degradation. Process performance helps audit, tune, and maintain control loop performance, avoiding process oscillations, noisy measurements, and poor sizing of critical equipment. Data management and analytics helps improve process performance and asset management by integrating control systems and disparate information sources, including data history libraries, to help users better analyze real-time situations and make better decisions. Alarm, safety, and cybersecurity management helps prioritize alarms so operators focus on the right ones, while effectively monitoring and managing physical and cybersecurity threats. In a less collaborative environment, considerably more time and money would be lost with crews trying to diagnose the situations themselves and then turning at a late stage to headquarters and/or ABB for assistance. This collaboration is scalable to suit customer needs, meaning it's possible at a device or process level, right up through plant and enterprise-wide systems. And ABB's local, regional, and global collaborative operations network can provide assistance 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to give customers additional peace of mind. ABB's customizable collaborative operations approach helps maximize performance while ensuring secure operations so customers can concentrate on their core business.